So yeah, again, once price breaks this trend line, boom, it's in consolidation right now on the 15. We just seen a major move from 1805 all the way back up to 1820, um, letting us know that uh, like they price is definitely still like letting us know that buyers are still pushing price up. That's a strong candlestick, Murabolo candlestick, long Murabolo candlestick, meaning that buyers are still pushing price up. Um, Sellers have came back in and pushed price from 1819 all the way back down to 1810. Um, and since 1810, you could have got in at 1810 right here. Um, and from 1810, you could have rolled it back up and riding it back up all the way from 1810, or from 1812, you could get in right here, 1812, 1813, and riding it all the way back up to this high right here, 1820. Right to this high, right back to this high right here. So we'll see what price wants to do. We just have to understand what the candlestick is showing you, and understand like what price is showing you. It's consolidating right now. Just it's not really going up or down. But once price breaks this trend line, I'm telling you, once price breaks this trend line in this box, we're heading back up to 18, 19, 18, 20. You can see yellow candlesticks letting us know buyers are in control. Gold's going up, and gold's still in an uptrend. Gold's still in an uptrend. It did not get, it hasn't got back down to this 18.5 level or this 18.10 level yet. So we're still in an uptrend. Again, overall, we're still in an uptrend. We go down to the 2 hour or the 1 hour. Let's go down to like the 1 hour. Um, you know, we're still in an uptrend. We're definitely still in an uptrend. Candles are still above. It's just retesting back down. You can see candles are retesting back down. And we're still pushing. We're still hoping price push back up to 1813. It will push back up to 1813. I'll keep y'all posted on that too. Um, and the hardest part about this, like this is why you want to scroll to the 1 hour. You want to scroll to the 1 hour to see what price is doing. Like it's consolidating right now. Um, you want to scroll to the 4 hour, and to see what price is doing still. Like, sorry about that. To see what price is doing still. It went to 1805, boom, on the 4 hour candlestick. Um, and it pushed back, and buyers pushed it all the way back up to 18. This is on the 4 hour. Like, so like letting us know that, and now you see on the 4 hour, another candlestick on the 4 hour is pushing back up. Gold is pushing back up on the 4 hour, letting us know, like, oh, okay, boom, cool. Overall for the 4 hour, it's pushing back up. Boom, boom. For the daily, gold is pushing back up. It was just retesting. It retested for the last 1-2 days down before what pushing back up. By Friday, Thursday, um, we should see price at 1830. I believe price will go back to 1822, retest back down to 1812 one more time before heading back up to 1830 by Friday. And that's just my analyst. Looking at the weekly, candles are still above this candlestick, before above this trend line, so we're still in an uptrend. And you will just look at the candlesticks to see what price is showing you. 2 hour on the 2 hour, candlesticks are still showing us that we know we've been consolidating. Once price breaks this box, boom, we're going back up. And we just scroll down to the 15, and in the 5 minute. We'll scroll down to the 5 minute to see when does price wants to break above. You see price still consolidating. It hasn't really broke above this 13, this trend line yet. Still just making little small wicks up and down, up and down. And we'll just be patient and wait for price just to still to break that box. Like it's only 9:33 p.m. We still got the morning session, the New York session and the London session that starts. London session starts at 3. Um, uh, and we still got the New York session. The New York session that starts at 8. So gold likes to move around this time too, around this time game, around like 9:34, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. You can see gold starting to move around this time. Um, so if you want to get in, uh, this would be like I'm already in the trade, because I know gold likes to move around this time. It likes to move around 9:34, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So just anything I can do to gain to help y'all become successful in this market, I will do. So we just put a box around the consolidation after a major move like this, after a major move, going down from 1820 to 1810, or from 1805 to 1820. You'll just put a box. You would just put a box around a move like that. After a move like that, strong move. After that, you'll put a box around that. Obviously you could have drawn a little trend line from here to here. Boom. From here to here. Boom. Once price breaks this trend line, boom, we are now in an uptrend. Price broke the trend line, boom. This trend line is no longer valid, boom. And now we're looking for price to head back up, gang. So just understanding the candlesticks, understanding what candlesticks like to do, understanding the different time frames and what they like to do can help you, gang. Understanding what price likes to do can help you. Price likes to go to 18, to these key levels, 1810, 1812, before what, heading back up, or it likes to go to 1820, 1819, 1822, before what, heading back down. So just understanding the key levels, understanding what price likes to do, can help you, get in for buys or sells. Understanding like once price starts to wick a lot, at these areas, you see it wick one time, two time at this area, see a few more times over here in the past. It also wicked at this area. Um, letting us know once price wicks at these areas, it doesn't want to go back to this area no more. Understanding trend line. Once price breaks the trend line, boom. Once price breaks this trend line, um, boom. We're looking for buys. Um, So just understanding everything, putting everything together, game. Putting everything together. You want to put everything together, game. Even Fibonacci, like if we can get a little Fibonacci from here to like here, boom, like from here to here, or we can do like from here to here, boom, 27 extension, like just understanding, like, boom, it's going to consolidate at 0.5, 38.2 level before going up to 61.8, 78, and then back to 0.78 level. Like this understanding, like what price likes to do, drawing Fibonacci, using everything to your advantage, game, to help you. So once price breaks this trend line, like it's still consolidating, can still consolidate from 1814 to 1811. Like it could still consolidate from there. But I believe that it's going to still consolidate. We still we still have our whole day ahead of us as far as the market doesn't close until 5 p.m. Um, uh, tomorrow. So we still got this whole day in front of us. Just being patient, understanding candlesticks, understanding the time frames, um, and understanding what price likes to do around certain key levels. Understanding what price likes to do after a major move like this. Um, you know, um, just understanding, your entries, the direction price likes to go to is so important, gang. And I will do whatever I can to help y'all, keep y'all updated on what I think gold is doing for this week and next week. I'll do a weekly update again next week. Starting off next week for the end of the month of January for gold. So I got y'all again. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Um, wait for price to break this trend line. Wait for price to break the box. And you will get in for buys. We're still in the overall, we're still in the uptrend overall. Um, overall, we're still in the uptrend. All right, gang. So I'll keep y'all updated of what price is going to do. And I hope these videos help, gang. I hope these videos really help. You can see gold going back up right now. All right, gang.